Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome to EMAZULL and Finance. In this channel, I'm going to share with you topics in economics and finance. I am EMAZULL, and in this video, we will learn about investment bank. If you have bought a company shares, have you ever thought how shares were issued? Imagine now, you own a business or a large enterprise, like Donnie and Donna Enterprise. And being an ambitious business person, you want to expand your business to Asia. That means you need to raise capital. You might be thinking, well, where can I get the capital from? Well, you may have many choices. You may ask from your parents, your friends, or perhaps your wife or your husband. Or you can raise capital by offering part of your company to be owned by the public. And if you decide to do that, it means you need to issue shares. When it is the first time for you, you are set to undertake initial public offering or IPO. In Malaysia, there are about 13 investment banks. Among them are Maybank Investment Bank, Public Investment Bank, and so on. So, you have approached the bank and convey your interest. What will Mr. Bank do? Mr. Bank will advise you on how to procure or to obtain financing through shares. He will advise you on the procedure, given this is your first time issuing share. Mr. Bank will also advise you how much should you sell your share. Don't worry about the complicated maths. Mr. Bank have their finance experts to help you. They will even help you to forecast your earnings. Another big job that Mr. Bank can do is providing underwriting services. Underwriting service happens when a bank pledges to buy all the unsold shares in an issue of new shares. For example, after discussing with Mr. Bank, both of you agree to issue 500,000 units of shares. The offer price is 3 ringgit per unit. In this case, where bank undertakes underwriting service, Mr. Bank can make an offer to buy the whole 500,000 units of shares, but of course at a lower than 3 ringgit price. Make it 2 ringgit. Here, you will get 1 million ringgit, plus you don't have to do the selling to the public. Mr. Bank then sell the shares to public for 2 ringgit. Assuming all shares are sold, Mr. Bank gets profit of 500,000 ringgit. Normally, issuer like you will not depend on only one bank. Rather, you will go to many investment banks. Why? Because you might want to spread the customer segment. In this case, one managing underwriter will form syndicate. Syndicate comprises several underwriters from different banks. Is that all investment banks do? Other than advising for IPO, Mr. Bank can also advise on merger and acquisition and corporate restructuring. You may need this service later when your company gets bigger. So now, you know how companies issue shares, the roles of investment bank and the underwriting services. If you are interested in working in investment bank, you need to learn corporate finance and excel in it. That is all for this lesson. We'll see you in the next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.